Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope this video isn't going to be too windy because of the wind, but anyways, welcome back to another magical video. So today I'm going to be teaching you, I'm just kind of doing what goes around in my life at the moment with these kind of magical videos. You guys asked for them, so here's one of them. I got gifted a fluorite crystal and I bought myself that rainbow tourmaline bracelet, and it just has the most evil energy in it, guys. When I go to sleep with it, it just like negative stuff happens to me, like demon possessions. Could totally see the negative entity that the energy that's formed in the crystal created like a being that was really evil, nasty, and just bad experiences with those two crystals. So I've had bad experiences with crystals many times before, guys, and have done this as a final way of clearing them. So what I'm doing in this video is teaching you guys how to brew yourself a potion and also creating a vanquishing spell to vanquish the negativity from that crystal so it can be all gone. So one thing I want to tell you guys is I used everything with my intuition. All the ingredients for my potion, I'm going to tell you guys what I use, but you can also use whatever you want, that whatever you're feeling guided to use and grab, go ahead and do it. I live in the forest, in the mountains, so I'm blessed enough to have a lot of Mother Earth that goes around that I can just grab a little bit here, a little piece there, and grab all those herbs and create my potion. Anyways, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Let's go clear some negative energy and kick evil's ass. So I'm just collecting some herbs from the forest, guys. I have some plants growing, some rosemary, lemon balm, and then I just got some cedarwood trees and some pine trees. Go ahead, connect to God, the Ascended Masters, your guardian angel, your spirit guide. Use your magic, use your intuition. Get the ingredients you feel that you need to create your vanquishing potion to get rid of that negative entity in your crystal. So these are just some of the supplies and herbs that I used and felt inclined to use with mine. I connected to God, Goddess Nyx, and my spirit guides, and went ahead and got everything that I needed. So I'm using all those herbs I told you guys. Some amethyst and clear quartz is what I had on my altar, so I used those crystals to help me charge my potion later. I just got some pink Himalayan rock salt, these different herbs I'm showing you guys, and different oils that I've brewed to make little potions for my Etsy store that I'm adding into my mixture too. This is a sage extract oil, so it's the sage cleansing plant. And I got my little cauldron that my friend got me with the cleansing incense in there. So I'm having all the good high vibrations going. I got a lavender candle burning too to represent the element of spirit and just all those good vibes, guys. So we want to raise the vibration, have a good holy, like good vibes, all the good vibes going, because we're getting rid of demons, negative energies, God knows what. So we're going to be clearing those negative energies. We need to have some good vibes going. So long story short, now that the incense burning, I'm going ahead and cleansing, blessing all of the tools and herbs that I'm going to use in my potion. Just being extra cautious since this realm is completely different from the magical one since we're in Samsara. So I'm just blessing everything, got my pot filled with some water. Once that's all good, then you guys can cast your protective circle, create your sacred space so no negative energy or evil can interfere. So now I'm just going to start placing the herbs into my potion pot however I feel inclined to. Going ahead, adding in some pine first. So I'm just adding in the herbs, giving it a little stir, adding the next herb, and you guys are going to laugh later because my potion's totally over boiling because I was trying to film, get everything to focus. But long story short, I put the herbs in, I say my intention, work my magic, my energy through the crystals that I'm wearing to set the intention, saying prayers and spells to clear that negative energy. I totally have the spell for you guys later at the end that you guys will hear. So long story short, we're just going ahead and adding in all the herbs, giving it a nice good stir, setting in all of my intentions like I told you guys. And yeah, it's just really fun. It's totally like when you watch the movies, you're just making yourself a cool potion, getting rid of that negative energy, get rid of that entity up in my crystals. Not about that life. Had so many bad experience with those two crystals, guys. So now I'm just spraying in my little essential oil blend infused with my archangel energies. And yeah, just going ahead, adding in the mustard seed. That's like a really powerful herb. And while I'm throwing it in, I'm imagining that evil entity being vanquished, that negative energy just exploding, going bye-bye. So I just love that. So there's different hand motions that I do too, guys, to add to the potion, add layers, add depth to it, and while I add time into the potion, I'm setting the intention of that the evil's gonna freeze first, and then the potion's gonna take effect and then vanquish the evil, so it's got no time to try to do anything. Now I'm just putting in some of that extract oil that's from a holy tree that I have locally around my neck of the woods. And yeah, I'm just adding in some sage extract oil, guys, and it's really fun. Just adding in all the little ingredients to my potion, giving it a nice good stir, saying my spells and intention, adding my magic into the potion to clear away that evil energy. Bye bye. And yeah, here's a little close-up shot for you guys to see all the magic in the potion brewing, doing its thing. It looks so beautiful. I just love making these videos for you guys. It's just so fun to make potions. It's one of my favorite things to do, but I don't always like filming it because my stove is old, crusty, and dirty, so please don't judge me. But anyways, yeah, that's my little potion. Giving it a good little stir, little mix around. And you guys definitely want to let it cool down. You don't want to have a hot potion. You don't want to put it in any vials or anything because it's just too hot. Let it cool for 30 minutes. Get ready. Do some prayers. Do your thing. So I went ahead and set up like a little crystal grid. You guys can kind of see I mirrored the crystals on the sides from each other so that they mirror each other. So then when I say my spells, my prayers, my intentions, everything will magnify, go into the potion, and charge it. So I went ahead and put the crystals inside of there, and I said my little vanquishing spell and did some prayers too, and had some mantra music playing to clear away this negative energy. Clear as day, clear as light, all darkness will now bright, the highest degree the heavenly fire, and got these relics with your purity. God send your light from above, let them behold once more in the sight of good, so mote it be. Here's a little close-up of the vanquishing spell, guys. You can use your own. This is just what I did, so I want to give you guys an idea, but definitely tune into your guides, do what you feel guided to do. So I put my crystals in the vanquishing potion and said my spell, and now we're just going ahead giving it a little cleanse through the element of air with smoke and fire. Then I went ahead and put my crystals on my windowsill and charged them with some mantra music. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of a spur of the moment thing. I haven't really made one of these because I don't want to really film my stove. It's really dirty, so brewing potions and stuff, I'm like, I don't want to show my old dirty stove. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below, and I'll be sure to do more magical videos for you guys who love my magical videos, and of course include some luxury and vlogs and other fun stuff I love doing. Need to add some Jack Daniels to this, make it a real high priestess chalice, am I right? But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I also wanted to let you guys know while I made my potion, while it was charging, I played a lot of Buddha mantras, music, and prayers that I also infused into my potion while charging it. I did recite a lot of spells and my intention that way, but also said a lot of prayers to get extra blessings from above to help enhance my magic and to clear away that negative energy from those crystals. So I hope I inspired you guys, and once I finish clearing them, I have them over on my windowsill right now to absorb some more sun energy, a little bit more moon, and I have some more holy mantra music playing to enhance all that good energy and just keep it flowing for those crystals. Just wanted to also let you guys know that too. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be.